This is Redzone Mini 4927, 5-box break. It's a random team. Robert's on top. He'll get the team at the top after 5 spins, and Talun will get the team at the bottom. Here are the teams. Good luck. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5th and final time. Indy on top. San Fran on the bottom. We'll look them up as we go, so I won't bother reading out who has who now, but you can check if you want, saved under where you purchased your spots in this break. Justin Herbert, that would be nice. Do we even need to show the cards because it's on screen? Oh well, don't know. First one is for the Raiders, Hunter Renfrow. Little auto on the front. Raiders. Cardinals again. Can you match my jersey? Oh, Steve got a very nice Kyler Murray. Was that from a break or did you buy a box? Who's got the Raiders? Andrew Buchanan does. Andy B. I'm told in a break last week that Andy B got both of the hits in a 2-box break.
Jeez, what?
Yeah. Might need to be a bit of an inquiry there. Tom Brady's going to be in squads tomorrow. It could be. There'll definitely be a jersey in there. This one is for the Patriots, but it's not the Patriot you want. There is a Tom Brady Patriots helmet. I don't know if it's come out already. Sony Michel. Cost Blake a lot of money in the Super Bowl. Sony Michel. Patriots are in spot 8. Patrick Kazarian. Kazarian? I don't know. But Patrick. Nice hit for you, Patrick. Kazarian. It'd be cool if it's Kazarian. That'd be a cool name to have. I'd like to have that autograph. Of course, we will have photos, photos, footballs and basketballs very shortly too. For the 49ers, that's a nice one. George Kittle. 49ers. Spot 32, last team in. Talun. Nice hit, Talun. 2 to go, Tabby. Where's Tom, baby? Oh. Question, are personals being sent out or do we have to pick them up? We'll send everything out. It'll say pick up in store or whatever for your personals, but that's how we open them live. Same with breaks, but they'll all ship. LaVisca Chenault Jr. for the Jags. And that's kind of hard to show where that is. That's a better angle. Just. LaVisca, who has the Jags. Spot 7. Connor Byrne. C-O-N-N-O-R. Well, that's only one N. B-Y-R-N-E. Connor. And last one for this $5 break is hard to get into. Oh, it's nice too. It's one of the flat whites, which are my favorite from this run of helmets. Alvin Kamara for the Saints. Big ol', just a star. Saints. New Orleans. Where are they? $29. Joseph Adami. I don't know if there's ever been a memorabilia break where he didn't manage to get one. Jersey Joe is now Helmet Boy. That's what we're going to call him. Congratulations, Joe. That is 4927.